Welcome. Today we're going to guide you through a simple process to allow Facebook to ask for automatic downloads on your PC after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once the Facebook homepage loads, take a look at the top of your browser, right next to the web address. Here's where the magic begins. Click on the small icon that represents View Site Information. Depending on your browser, this might look like a padlock or a small circle with an eye inside it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to various site-specific settings. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will open a new tab or window displaying all the permissions and settings related to Facebook's interaction with your browser. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Automatic Downloads. Next to this option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Ask from the list of options. This ensures that anytime Facebook wants to download something automatically, it will first prompt you for permission. Once you've made this change, you can close the Settings tab and return to Facebook. That's it. You've successfully configured Facebook to request approval before initiating automatic downloads. This quick adjustment not only gives you more control over your downloads, but also enhances your browsing experience by preventing unexpected file transfers. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these steps. Have a great day.